this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your very first three-dimensional model in Blender. So, if you're brand new to 3D modeling, don't worry. We'll start with a simple shape and learn the essential tools you'll use in almost every Blender project. First, open Blender and create a new general project if one isn't already open. You'll notice the default cube in the center of the scene. This cube is the perfect starting point because it lets you practice the basic modeling tools before moving on to more advanced projects. Before editing the model, take a moment to get comfortable moving around the workspace. Hold the middle mouse button to rotate the view, use the mouse wheel to zoom, and hold Shift together with the middle mouse button to pan. Yeah, these navigation controls will make modeling much easier. Now select the cube and press Tab to switch to edit mode. Here you can edit the object's vertices, edges, and faces. Try selecting one of the top faces, then use the Move tool or press the G key to pull it upward. You'll immediately see your cube begin to change into a custom shape. Next, experiment with the Scale and Rotate tools. Press the S key to resize selected parts of your model, or press the R key to rotate them. I mean, even a few small adjustments can completely change the look of your object, so don't be afraid to experiment. If you'd like to build something more detailed, press Shift plus A to open the Add menu. From there, choose Mesh and add another object such as a sphere, cylinder, or cone. You can combine multiple shapes to create more interesting models. Once you're happy with your model, open the File menu and choose Save As. Select a folder, enter a project name, and save your Blender file. That way, you can return to your project anytime and continue improving it. And that's it. You've successfully created your first three-dimensional model in Blender. This is just the beginning, and with a little practice, you'll be creating much more detailed models in no time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.